everybody, Bob Giglio back for another short video. I thought maybe a lot of you would find this helpful. This has to do with yard drains. So in this particular case, I'm showing one that I had. This is called a pop-up drain here, and basically this top pops up when the water flows through the pipe, and then it pops up so it's level with the lawn and the water disperses evenly. That's a really nice solution to either fix a pipe that's clogged. You can cut it early and just put one of these pop-ups in and not have to dig the whole pipe up. So this is a case where I already have the pipe installed, and I noticed the other day cutting the lawn, it was tilted like that. And I could see this upper edge here. And I'm like, something's not right. And sure enough, I dug it out, as you see, and what the problem was, the fitting cracked. So, and I don't usually glue these fittings, these PVC joints, but you can glue, because if this broke, it'd be impossible to separate the joint like I just did. So what I've done is some quick tips. So when you want to open up the pipe like I did, what I do is I cut a seam in the lawn with like a lawn edger, and I cut a seam in the sod, and I fold it back like that. You see how it folded back? So when I'm done, I don't have to reseed. I can just fold it all back in. I'm going to fill this area with new topsoil, and you won't even notice that a repair has been done. You skip the whole seeding step. So in this case, a couple things going on. This elbow cracked, and the other thing is this pipe here is flat at the end, and it's kinked on the bottom. You can't see it, but there's a kink there, and it's making the pipe oblong, and it doesn't fit even the new one. I got a new elbow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it back to where the pipe is good, and then put on a new elbow, and then reuse this top. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. Okay, here it is all done. As you see, you can see the sod's back in place. There is some dirt showing, but it will grow back. The grass will grow back. And if not, throw down some seed. Keep it watered for a week or two, and you won't even know you just made a repair there. So this was an easy way to fix a problem that if it was a clogged pipe that continued downstream, then the only other option would be to open up the lawn and replace the entire pipe. You don't have to do that. This is an easy way to solve the problem. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.